Hey, what's up guys, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make this command that is the embed command. It just gives you a title, description and another field and the user avatar. So yeah, it's and then I'm also going to be teaching you guys how to check if my previous video, which was checks, I'm going to teach you guys how to make it so that it will check for a particular user. So yeah, let's go to the code. So as you can see, I'm using VS Code because I switched to it, so just get rid of this. Then let's start with the command. Client dot command, the function decorator, command decorator, async def embed ctx colon, and then we will start with the variable m equals discord dot embed, the capital E, and then we just set it to title equals I'll just say embed, and then we'll set the description. This will be let's just say this is a description, and then we can also set the color to it. Color equals discord dot color dot, I'll just say let's just say purple, dark purple, then end it off with that. Then m dot add field, we're gonna add a field to that, name, new field, then value of field, and then we can set a thumbnail to that, m dot set thumbnail, so just set it to URL equals, so ctx dot message dot author dot avatar dot underscore URL, and then we'll just send it await ctx dot send embed equals m. So this is the variable we created, so don't worry about the token, I will regenerate it after this video. So yep, let's go to the Discord and I'll start the bot. Alright, so we're at Discord, just type embed and it works. The color is dark purple. You can change the color to whatever you want. Actually, wait a sec. Okay, the title and description isn't showing for some reason. Alright, I made a spelling mistake. Description, that should work. Let's test it out now. Okay, wait a second, then another spelling mistake. The title spelling wasn't right, lol. Okay, let's try it again. So if we type the embed command now, embed, it will show us the title, description, the new field and the value of the new field, and the thumbnail, which is our profile picture right here. So yep, let's do the another thing that I said is we're gonna cover the part that it will check if you are actually a person, like it'll check for only one person. So let's get into that. Alright, so I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to check the like for a person, it doesn't, like how it checks for permission, it's gonna check for one person individually. So let's just define a function is it me. So this, okay, wait a second, def is it me, sorry about that. So yep, let's just, okay, alright, so let's just do that, and then let's do the we have to do the function, we have to return something. So return ctx dot author dot id equal to, let me just go copy my id. Okay, yeah, I copied my id, we'll just put that there, and then yeah, that's it. We just have to do we have defined the function, but we haven't really, okay, wait a second, we need to pass on ctx, so we have to call that function. So let's just go to this, the hi command, the client, actually wait a second, so I have to do command dot checks, let's just do is it me, the function we just did, we just defined that. Okay, it's commands, yep. Alright, now let's test it out. Alright, so I'm on one of my alts, I'll just start the bot. Yep, so if we do a hi over here on this account, my main, if we do hi, it should say hello, I'm a tutorial bot. Let's just see that. Oh, and by the way, it's not check, it's not checks, it's actually check. It's add command dot checks. So let me just fix that, sorry about that, be real quick. Alright, so basically let's do dot hi here on my main, then I'll say hello, I'm a tutorial bot, and then if I go to my alt and do hi, then it should not give anything. You see, it did not give anything. So that's how you do that, and thanks for watching, see you in the next one, bye guys.